Daring Marina YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about turbocharger, two washing method, that means water washing and grit washing method. So let's move on to topic. The cleaning of turbine set and blower set, it is necessary at regular intervals to remove the carbon and soot deposit and other exhaust deposit. So for a turbine, for turbocharger, the turbine set and blower set is necessary to clean at regular intervals in order to remove mainly carbon and soot deposit and other exhaust deposit. There are two methods to clean the turbine and compressor side of turbocharger while running. Let's discuss about that. Turbine side washing. Turbine side washing can be carried out both water and dry method. That means water method and dry method. So let's discuss water washing. For water washing, first we need to inform to the bridge and reduce until the temperature of exhaust inlet fall below 40 degrees Celsius at least. Check the water washing injection nozzle and we have to open turbocharger drain valve. After that, open water supply up to 1.5 bar to the turbine side. Water washing must be made until the clean water comes out. Close the water supply and remove the nozzle. So water washing means first we have to inform the bridge, reduce until temperature of the exhaust inlet falls 40 degrees Celsius. We have to check water washing injection nozzle whether it is working and all. Then open turbocharger drain valve. We can open the water supply from 1.5 bar to turbine side. Water washing must be made until the clean water comes out. Close the water supply and remove the nozzle. So the exhaust drain can be closed after all water is drained out and drained. Then for run the main engine for 10 minutes on side load. So inform the bridge and increase on the main engine RPM gradually to C speed. For usual practice cleaning, this is done after every 500 hour routine. But depending upon cleanness, this also we can change. So exhaust drain can be closed after all water is drained out and drained. We can run the main engine for 10 minutes on same load. We can inform to the bridge and we can increase the main engine RPM gradually to C speed. For usual practice, this cleaning is usually done 500 hour or run depending upon the cleanness of turbocharger. What are the disadvantages of water washing? The main disadvantage is engine speed has to reduce. Then we can increase. So thermal stress and corrosion usually occur because of ingress water and more time required to complete this operation. Yes, this is time consuming. And very fine hard deposit and residues cannot be removed easily with water washing. These are the disadvantages or demerits we can say of water washing. Means engine speed has to reduce. Thermal stress and corrosion usually occurred because of ingress water. More time is required to complete the operation. Very fine hard deposit and residues cannot be easily removed with water washing. Then dry washing. Dry washing means engine speed is not here not reduced because there is no thermal stress in dry washing. Dry washing is carried out by a walnut shell with a grain size of 12 to 34 mesh. Okay. Here dry washing is carried out with a walnut shell with a grain size of 12 to 34 mesh. Compressed air of 3 to 5 bar is used to help the grain strike the deposited turbine blades and nozzle, give efficient cleaning of hard deposit. So we will supply compressed air. In the water washing we supply 1.5 bar and here we will give 3 to 5 bar. So grains strike the deposited turbine blades and nozzle and give effective cleaning of the hard deposit. So dry washing means engine speed is not reduced. So there is no risk of thermal stress in dry washing. Dry washing it is carried out by walnut shell with a grain size of 12 to 34 mesh and a compressed air of 3 to 5 bar. It is used to help the grains strike the deposited turbine blades and nozzle and thus giving effective cleaning of hard deposit. An air supply pipe. It is fitted with a solid grain container and grains are injected into exhaust system by air pressure at some point in water washing just after exhaust heat. So here air supply pipe is fitted to a solid grain container and grains are injected into exhaust system. Thereby air pressure at same point just after exhaust heat. So turbine casing drain must be kept open during the cleaning at this time almost about 2 minutes only. Okay. Here turbine casing drain must be kept open during the cleaning time about 2 minutes only, and dry washing should be carried out every day while main engine running. We can carry out dry washing every day when the main engine is running. So that's it is advantage because air supply pipe is fitted to a solid drain container and grains are fitted into exhaust system by air pressure at the same point just after exhaust heat. And turbine casing drain kept open during cleaning time about 2 minutes only, and dry washing should be carried out every day while main engine is running. And advantages. Not required to reduce. Here there is no need to reduce the speed, not need to reduce the engine RPM, thus not affect vessel performance. Here no use of water, so no corrosion in thermal stress. Cleaning time is short and easy to carry out. We can carry out daily at least 3 to 5 minutes and effectively remove combustion residues and hard particles. So we can effectively remove combustion residues and hard particles. So advantage means not required to reduce engine RPM, thus not affect vessel performance. No use of water, no corrosion and thermal stress, and cleaning time is short, so easy to carry out. Effectively remove combustion residues and hard particles. Then compressor side washing. Compressor or blower side washing can be done when the main engine is on full load. When the compressor or blower side washing can be done when the main engine is on full load. We can fill up with warm fresh water to hopper and close the cover. Fill up with warm fresh water to the hopper and close the cover. Open the valve and water will flow into the blower casing and mechanically attack the blower blades and clean the deposit. Here this, when you open the valve, water will automatically will flow through blower casing and mechanically attack the blower blades and clean the deposit. So after this, close the valve and open the cover and check the cleaning water must be empty. This is what. So after this, we can close the valve and open the cover and check that cleaning water must be empty. Here compressor side washing means compressor or blower side washing. This can be done when main engine is on full load. We can fill up warm fresh water to hopper and close the cover. After this, we can open the valve and water will flow into the blower casing and mechanically attack the blower blades and clean the deposit. Close the valve and we can open the cover and check the cleaning water must be empty and all. Thank you.